Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful flower motif and it is named as Lily Pond motif in the form of a granny square. This particular motif I have worked with Aran yarns, Aran cyan green and baby yellow. These yarn is 100% acrylic anti-pill yarn. And let us go into the video directly and hope you enjoy making this flower motif. For this particular motif I am using baby yellow and cyan green. This baby yellow is the primary flower leaf motif. So let me make the required number of chains here. To begin with, we need to make 8 chains and slip stitch and join. So make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains and slip stitch to the first chain and make it into a circle. Now chain 3, this chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the ring. Chain 7, and 2 DC. Repeat this chain 7 2 DC 3 times. I shall also make the required chains and DCs in the ring and get back to you. I have repeated chain 7 2 DC 3 times. Now final leg chain 7, slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chain. So we are having 4 2 DCs and 4 chain 7 spaces. Round 2, chain 2, skip the next DC. In the chain 7 space make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 2 treble crochets, 1 double treble, then the reverse, 2 trebles, 2 double crochets, 1/2 double crochet and a single crochet. Chain 2, repeat the same in all chain 7 spaces. Make single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 treble crochets, 1 double treble, 2 trebles, 2 double crochets, 1 HDC and SC. Chain 2 and do the same. Place the same number of stitches, same type of stitches in each of the chain 7 spaces. I shall meet you at this particular point. Completed placing the shells. Now slip stitch to the second chain of the first chain 2 and fasten off. So 4 petals are made now. Now take the second color. make a slip knot, and right side facing you, join in between the two DCs. Chain 10. Chain 10 counts as 1 DC and 7 chain spaces. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and working behind these petals. So make a double crochet overlapping the chain 2 space and push this behind. Chain 7, again behind the petal, DC between the two DCs of the first round. So work 7 chains DC and 7 chains. I shall meet you at this point. This is the last 7 chains. 7 chain. Now slip stitch and join to the third chain of the 10 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 1, single crochet in the chain 7 loop, 7 double crochets, chain 3, 7 double crochets under the chain 7 space or chain 7 loop. Then SC in the same loop. See. Now SC chain 7 DC, chain 3, 7 DC, SC in the next 7 chain loop, and so also in the last 2 also. So in each of these 7 chain loops, you're going to place single crochet, chain 7 double crochets, chain 3, 7 double crochets, and 1 single crochet. So I shall complete the stitches and get back to you. You also complete it. So I've slip stitched and joined, and now we need to fasten off and hide the yarns. So this is lily pond motif in the form of a granny square. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos we upload very often and every day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day, friends.